This
Mm-hmm.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay. And anybody has any doubt in the previous session or what are all things they have gone through?
Sir, we didn't receive recorded video yesterday.
I haven't sent it yet because it needs to be get edited.
Okay, sir.
Only 50%, only 50% is useful there.
Oh, okay, sir.
So that's why. Okay, I see Sunil haven't installed it yet. Anyone else is there who haven't installed?
Sir,
Yes, Rahul.
I am not in. I didn't install, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I,
Okay.
yesterday also I was absent, sir, due to some work, sir.
Okay. So, which are all videos you have completed?
I didn't do practical, sir. I watched videos only, sir. Because there is no laptop with me, sir. I went outside, sir. I went 4 days back, sir. There will.
So, when you will
Uh,
have the laptops?
I I went to another place, sir. It takes 2 to 3 days, sir, to go to my village.
Okay, when you will be available with the laptop?
May- Maybe Thursday, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine, Rahul. Pani, what problem you are facing?
Sir, I don't have laps.
So, when you will be with the laptop?
Sir, Saturday onwards.
Any specific reason?
Sir, already I told you, sir. My
Because
grandma passed away.
you are at
So I'm
another
staying
place.
in village.
Okay, you are at
Yes,
another
sir.
place at
Saturday
village.
I will go to Hyderabad and yes, sir. From Saturday onwards, I will watch videos and I will send assignment also.
Okay, so I do see only three people who are not able to install yet. Pani, Sunil, and Rahul.
Sir, I am also not installed, sir.
Why?
Sir, last 4 days I am in sister's marriage, sir. My own sister's marriage, sir. There are a lot of work, so I will not attend the
Mhm.
class and I will not install to anyone, sir.
Okay, so when I can expect that will be get it done?
Day after tomorrow, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Likit, if you say that your CentOS is very slow, you can increase the number of CPU counts if your application permits.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So nobody has any doubt in yesterday's class or day for yesterday's or any videos which are all you guys have gone through.
Sir, good morning.
Yes, Saikiran.
Sir, while seeing the sixth video of July,
Hmm.
uh, command is not understanding. So, what is that command? M install E2FS program command is there.
Okay.
Fifth video is user how to create the sudo for the administrator.
Mm-hmm.
Directly it is jump into sixth video. It is not getting.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, so that is installing a file system type actually. ext2fs, it's a file system type. I was installing that.
Okay.
I'm not sure that is needed or not.
Okay.
Okay, so let me see what I can
Okay.
cover here now.
Okay, sir.
Screen is visible, correct?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here we'll see how to change a permission, file permission, and the security concern, I can say. Next. So when we do ls-al, you can see that there are three things. The security has been divided into three parts here. This rwx is for the particular user, and then r this dash is w, and the x is for the particular group which it belongs to, and rwx is for other groups. So there are three things. First is self user, first is self group which this user belongs to, and this is for the other group which this user doesn't belong. So the rwx permission is read, write, execute. So when I say that this section has rwx, it means like the user who has created root is having the permission of read, write, execute. Similarly, for that group which root belongs to will have the permission of read, write, execute. And this is for others. So what is the meaning of execute permission? What is the meaning of read permission? What is the meaning of write permission? How we can revoke those permission? How we can add those permission? So let's say I'm creating a file, a script file, okay? Vi space print.sh. Now I am going to execute this file. What it says, permission denied. If I want to read this file using cat command, I'm able to read. I'm able to open also and write also if you want to write something. But as soon as I am trying to execute this file, it's not giving me the permission and saying permission denied. So let me see what is the permission here. We have created something .sh file. What was that? The print.sh file. Permission for that is this. You can read, write, execute. You cannot do. Another people in the group can only read, they cannot write, they cannot execute. And here another group people can only read. So you are required to give execute permission. So for that, what I need to do, chmod space plus x space. This is one method. What was the file name? Print.sh. Now I am giving ls-al. You can see that print.sh. This has also got added here. X. Previously it was not there. You can see this is a print.sh. Previously X was not there. And if I want to execute, let's see what it is giving. Print.sh. I am executing. This is the way you can execute a file in Linux, and you can run a file in Linux. /print.sh. Uh, it is executing, but it's executing with errors. Let me see. Yeah, now it's executing correctly without any error because space problem was there. So this is the output of that particular file. Sorry, of that particular script. Whatever has been written in print.sh. This is the output. But the content of this is the meaning of I am using here two words, content and output. Content means whatever has been written here, and the output means whatever this is going to perform, what operation this is going to perform, whatever is the written content. So I have written hash explanation /bin/bash. It means like it has to if bin bash is not there, then don't execute this, and it has to be get executed only with bin bash only. Bash is the uh, script command line here, we can say, through which this script has to be get executed. Some older script, if you can be you might be able to find out through online, which requires /bin/sh, not bash. So that those there are slight difference in between /bin/sh and the bash script. Only slight, but almost things seems to be matching. Maybe the syntax of for loop, or maybe syntax of some other things. That's it. Remaining things seems to be matching. So, and the second line here, it says echo, and this is the syntax of this command. Echo is going to print the line given in this column. This is what the purpose of echo. So if I'm running, it's just going to run this line with bash, and then it's going the work of this line is just to print this content. So you can see here what it is doing. It is just printing the content. Hi, this is a testing file. Any doubts so far in this?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, we have to.
Sorry, your voice gone. I'm not able to hear you completely. Your voice is gone.
Yes, sir, this is Mallikarjun.
Yes, Mallikarjun.
Sir, please can you explain CH mode once again?
What you did not get in that, because I explained ch mode, how to add permission there, and then I have explained uh, the three different, what
Actually,
to say, three different permissions in that. Sorry, which part you did not understood? That was my question. Malikarjun, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So which part you did not understood?
How to permissions have given? That is my problem.
Mm-hmm.
How, yeah.
I have created a file print.sh. Okay, and this file will have three type of permission. First is user permission, then second is group permission, then second is others permission. Okay, and this is divided into this is divided into three parts: user, groups, and other. And user is divided into three parts further: read, write, execute. Group is divided into three parts: read, write, execute. And other is divided into three parts: read, write, execute. What is the meaning of it? This three part.
User root administrator.
No, not that. The meaning of this is this user.
This user he can read and write, and a group only he can read. Others also he can read.
No, it's opposite. So user, let's say if you let's say user does have this permission, group is having this permission, and other is having this permission. So the meaning of this is the user of this file who has created will be able to read, write, and execute. And all the user of this group which it belongs to, let's say print.sh, it belongs to which group? Sorry, which user? It belongs to root user, and root is having which group? Root is having only root group, so we cannot say anything here correctly. Okay, so let me switch back to another user called we have created yesterday. Okay, Blissy and Lalita. Okay, let us go to Lalita user, and see Lalita is in group of Lalita and Wheel. Okay, and I'll create some file using Lalita. I'll create the same file. Let's copy that file. CP. Don't copy. You guys will get confused. Vi space print.sh. Okay. You can see that Lalita is the group and user. Sorry, Lalita is the user who has created this file. So now Lalita belongs to two people, Wheel and Where is that? Yeah, rhel and lalita. So let's say if you are adding any another user also to this lalita group, and you are giving execute permission to the whole group, so those user will also be able to execute this particular file print.sh. So here two things I'm saying. First, okay, let me draw in paint. Let's say you have a group here, and let's say in this group you have user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4. Okay, so you have a file here. Let's say rw dash r, what is the permission? Rw dash r dash dash. That's it. This was a permission for print.sh. So the meaning of this rwx is, let's say it has been created by user 1 only. So the user 1 will have access if you are setting read write execute permission here. These three permission, these three spaces are reserved for user 1 only. Whatever changes you are going to do here will reflect user 1. What are all changes you are going to do here, it is going to reflect for whole group. If you have given read write execute, it means like the whole group is can execute. User 2 also can execute this file, user 3 also can execute this file, user 4 also can read write execute this file if you have added execute here. Understood? And this execute is for user only, for user 1, because user 1 is the one who has created this file. And this is for other user. Let's say you have another group and another user. Let's say you have group 2 and there you have user 5, user 6, user 7. Okay, you have all these user. So if you have, let me give space here. Oh, I can't give a space, it seems. So I need to erase, or maybe if it works or not. Okay. Read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. So this third read, write, execute is for this third read, write, execute. If you have given, it means you are giving permission to other people also. Other people are these people who does not belong to this group and who is not the user who has created this file. So you understand the meaning of this third person, this third read write execute. What is the meaning of it here?
Others who haven't created user file, who haven't created file.
Yes, who haven't created and who are not in the group also. Mallikarjun, you are able to understand? Mallikarjun, are you there? So are you able to understand so far, or you have any doubt so far?
Sir, I understand.
Because I will ask you to explain after this the same thing.
Yeah. Okay.
That's why I'm asking. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Perfect. So now we will see how to give this.
Yeah. Okay.
So there is a binary location for this.
Okay.
This is one way I have told you to edit the file permissions plus x and minus x plus w or minus w plus r or minus r you can give, or you can give 4 to 1 4 to 1 4 to 1. If you want to give permission for execute, you can give only 1. If you want to give permission only for write, you can give only 2. Okay. If you want to give permission for only read, you can give only 4. If you want to give permission for all read write execute, you need to sum this 4 to 1. 4 to 1 is 7. So you need to give 7 here, and 7 here also. If you want to give read write execute permission to all the users in this group, then 7, and then this read write execute permission is for user. So if let's say if you
Directly
want to
7
give,
is given to.
sorry,
Uh, Directly 7 is given to what happens?
7, yeah, I'm explaining that only. So here if you give 7,
Okay.
read write execute permission will be given. Okay.
Okay.
So there are 3 7. If you give 7 0 0, so this is going to get read write execute permission, but this is going to get no permissions, 0, because you have set it to 0. Okay. And this will also, if you are giving 0, they will also not get any kind of permission. Okay, we'll see that here in the terminal. You are able to see the screen. Okay, ch mode means change mode. So we are changing, we are trying to change the mode of this particular file. Okay, let's say 700 and print.sh. Okay, you are able to see this one has become read write execute because I have given 7, and since I have given 0 for you for group, and for others also I have given 0, so it became, previously it was read write, now it became 0. Here also it was read, that also became read 0. Okay, let's say if you want to give only read permission to the user, 1. Sorry, for only read, what was the thing?
4, sir.
Correct.
4, sir.
4.
I have only read permission. Okay. So what is the meaning if I say I don't have write permission? Let's say I'm opening this file. You can say that it's saying change only as soon as I have tried to write, it's saying me changing a read only file. And let's say if I'm trying to change something, and after that I'm going to press escape and then I'm going to write on this file. You see that read only file option is set. But anyways, it gives me permission to write because I'm the owner, maybe because of that. If anyone else is the owner, it would not have given any permission to write as well. Okay, so here you can see that I need to override the permissions since I was in I am the owner and I am the one who was editing. It just asked to override. It did not completely deny the permission. And let's say if I'm logging through Blessy, okay, I'm switching user Blessy and then I will try to open this file. Since here we have not given any permission, it will show permission denied. These three will not doesn't have any permission, okay, for other user, and these three also doesn't have any permission for other user. I've logged in into Blessy and then let's see. You can see that it shows permission denied to me. You're able to see that also. It shows permission denied. Nothing. I don't have any permission at all here. Okay. Why I don't have any permission to see the file also here? Because I was into Lalita folder, and Lalita folder we have only these permissions: read, write, execute. You are required to give read, write, execute permission to other users also in the group. Sorry, through Blessy we cannot do, or either we need to be sudo to do this. We are required to be admin. Now you can see that read, write, execute is there for Lalita. Okay. Now we go to Lalita. Let's see. Okay, it's not giving the permission. Maybe Blessy is not a group member of Lalita. So, what was the command for adding user into a group. Can I expect from somebody? Here, what I'm thinking, like I want to add Blessy user into Lalita group.
Command
What?
user mod minus capital G and the username, then the group name.
Okay. User mode hyphen A also is required, I believe. Okay. And G, capital G, not small g. And then we want Blessy to be get added to Lalita. Mm, I think it should be vice versa. Group, we wanted to mm, 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 group.
Sir, first we have entered the group name, sir. Means yeah, hyphen A capital G. After that we have mentioned the group name, I think.
Yeah, so that's what the second command. Lalita is a group name. Blessy is a user.
Yes, sir. This is
Give only G, sir, not A.
Okay, let's give it a try. Sorry, groups. It's still the same. Okay, so everybody understood that what is the problem here? What I'm trying to do and what it's not
sir, actually we
allowing
have
it
to
to.
log in the. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, right. We need to log in with the Lalitha group, Lalitha user.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Try to user to bless you. We can use it, sir.
Sir, we have created the both groups, Blessy and Lalita.
That's the default group.
Default group. What is the default group, sir?
The
Is it
default group, whenever you create a user, the group name also comes along with that. So
okay?
here I have logged in through Lalita.
Okay.
Okay. So you guys are saying that I need to do like this. So Lalita has been added to group Blessy, but I want it to happen vice versa. I want Blessy to be get added to Lalita. Hmm. So here Lalita is the user and group also, and you can see that Blessy also has got into the two groups, Blessy and Lalita. Okay, so how it has happened, I have to switch back to the another group, Lalita, and then from there I have to add these permissions. Okay, so after adding these permissions, what should be the output? Can you guys try on your own
We have
and say,
to create a group and we get the users like Lalita and Blessy in that group.
yes, is also that is also a way of doing the things, but here whatever is the default user, I'm adding that particular, whatever is the default group, I'm adding in that group itself, rather creating a new group. Okay, so I do see a different opinion here. So why don't you guys go ahead and show me what is your opinion, what you wanted to do. So it's like the assignment is for all of you is to showcase how you are going to prove that these three things, read, write, execute works. This read, write, execute works. You need to prove that by adding one member to another group, you need to showcase that something is not working. Sorry, if the user is not added to the group, you need to showcase that it's not working. And as soon as you have added to the group and you have given the permission here, you need to showcase that you are able to access that particular file. Okay, here itself you can see that we have given read, write, execute permission to other group also of the Lalita folder. Okay, and in Lalita group I have added Blessy also. You can see that here Blessy is part of two groups, Blessy and Lalita. Previously when I was not part of Lalita group and I was trying to access CD into Lalita group, it has shown me, or it has thrown me as access denied. You can see that here. You can see that I am into the Blessy user and I'm trying to do CD in Lalita. It shows me permission denied because Blessy was part of only Blessy and wheel. Okay, now you can see that now Blessy is part of Blessy and Lalita, and as now I'm trying to do CD with Lalita folder, it did not throw any error. Now you can see that I'm able to do ls also because I have permission of execute also of that particular folder Lalita. Now I'm able to enter. Now you can see that I don't have permission here of print.sh. This is the permission of self user. This is the permission for the, these three permission are for the group. These three permissions are for the group. So I belong to the group. I'm not the user who has created. You can see that Lalita is the user who has created. Lalita is the owner who has created. But I have logged in through Blessy. Now let's see if I'm able to read that particular file. You can see that permission denied. Okay, because I don't have permission. Now what I need to do, since I am another user of the same group. So read dash dash read dash dash and then dash dash dash. So these three places belongs to 0. These three places I can keep 4 and these three places I can keep 4. Okay, to give the read permission to other group also. So chmod 440 print.sh. Operation not permitted, so I need to do sudo. Okay, obviously. So this file, the ownership of this file is with Lalita. Only Lalita can modify, sorry. Only Lalita can modify the permissions of this print.sh, not Blessy. Because Blessy does not have any permission of this file. You can see that. So let me switch back to Lalita and then modify this file permission to 440. Lalita also we have removed. Sudo and then sorry, this is also not going to work. So for adding a so why I'm adding sudo here for print.sh. So you can see that we have changed the permission of print.sh for its own user and for other users also. Okay. Now I will switch back to Blessy and I will try to read this file. You can see that I'm able to read this file since I have set the permission to read. Okay, what I will do is I will upload the video immediately, and what everybody can do is everybody can go through the video and write down what you understood, and accordingly we'll proceed further tomorrow. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.